Hi guys! Today I will be reviewing the best electric kettle products. You can find the product links in the description section. Let's start! Design and looks. The Cuisinart CPK-17 looks refreshing and slick because of its nice stainless steel body and the way its controls are situated on kettle's handle. It has a capacity of 123 liters and there is a blue backlit water window, enabling the user to observe the water level. Its heating element is concealed and it comes with a removable and washable scale filter. This kettle's lid is easily removed and there is even a lid release button available. This kettle is cordless and the base has a 360-degree swivel rotation feature. Another important consideration here is that the kettle is very lightweight, making it pretty easy to carry around. Performance. This electric kettle performed really well, bringing more than 1 liter of water to rolling boil within minutes of switching it on. Another thing I'd like to add is that you can select one of the preset temperature settings to boil the water according to your needs. There are 6 presets in this kettle. Delicate, 106 deg F. Green, 175 deg F. White, 185 deg F. Oolong, 109 deg F. Herbal, 200 deg F. Black, 212 deg F. French press, 200 deg F. Special features that set this kettle apart from other competitors. We discuss how this kettle performs, and now we'll take a look at some of the special features that are available with this device. Here is the list of features that I felt are really useful and some of the smart features of this kettle. 6 preset temperatures. You can choose from one of the 6 preset temperature settings provided on the handle of this kettle. This is particularly useful if you are making hot water using one of the presets provided. I recently purchased the MUELLER premium electric kettle because I needed a way to heat water for teas and lunches in my office. There are many brands and types of electric tea kettles. I suppose they all work well, but I'm really happy with my MUELLER. With the world gone topsy-turvy, my usual routines have been disrupted for the past 10 months. I have been very fortunate to keep a job during quarantine. It has just shifted from remote work only to going to the office some days, back to remote only, and back to some days at the office, and throws off any chance for routine. I have almost always packed my own lunch or ordered lunch from our cafeteria. But during these many months, the cafeteria has been closed. I have been extremely hesitant to order fast food during this time, and I've been lazy about walking up and down all of the stairs in order to use the microwave, or I don't always remember to bring a lunch. I finally decided to buy something to heat water at my desk so I could have oatmeal, add water meals/soups, and teas without leaving my office. Willsence feature, brew stopwatch, hard to control the brewing time. Our Gooseneck kettle is well designed for all coffee lovers. Easy to use with a built-in stopwatch. The LCD screen will start a 3-set countdown, giving you time to get ready to pour, and then it will count up so you can keep track of the brewing process. Designed in California, 0.8 cm finely curved spout restricts the flow so you can more accurately pour and achieve a perfect saturation. The counterbalance handle allows for subtle adjustment to achieve different pouring techniques and encourage a longer time of pour. Hold temp and mute. Read your set temp and real-time temp from the LCD panel. When it reaches setting, our pour-over electric kettle will steadily maintain the desired temperature for 120 minutes. You can also press the mute button to silence all the tones. Want to get rid of the calculator? No more converting to your preferred setting, just one press to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. 100% stainless steel interior. Specification. Now on to the specification. Capacity 2.0 liters. Kettles usually have a 1.7 liter capacity, so this is a pretty large capacity kettle. It fills 8 large cups, or 10 normal cups. Therefore, the kettle's perfect for large families, gatherings, or the workplace. Dimensions 21.59 cm x 17.78 cm x 26.67 cm. Materials. The body of the kettle is made from borosilicate glass and the metal part from 304 stainless steel. Variable temperature control detailed above. Keep warm function. The kettle has a keep warm function. Basically, when the water has boiled to the set temperature, the keep warm feature will maintain that temperature for up to 4 hours. Large water window. The kettle has a large glass water window for added style. It gives a premium feel to the kettle. Thanks for watching. You must not forget to subscribe and comment. See you in the other review videos.